Everybody, welcome back to the channel. I keep getting comments about, hey, where's chicken cam? So I'm still trying to work on a way to get GoPro mounted onto it. Ow! Still trying to get a GoPro mounted onto a chicken. So until then, this is what you get for chicken cam, and I'm gonna stay away from you because you are you're trying to attack me. So ow. So if you so if you want to see more chicken videos, leave me a comment. Let me know if you'd rather see chicken videos over car videos or boat videos or something like that, or if you'd just like to see me get attacked by this chicken. Please don't say you want to see me get attacked by this chicken. And then I will see you on my next video, and then maybe I can give you an update on chickens or stuff. Anyways, hit the like and subscribe button, leave me a comment, let me know how I'm doing, and then I'll see you on my next video. All right? Say bye.